My name is Signe Winther. I'm the artist manager at Ghost VFX. We have offices in Copenhagen and UK and North America and India, but I represent the Copenhagen office. Ghost VFX is known for high-quality visual effects, photorealistic projects. I think on a personal note, I'm very proud of the Star Wars projects we've had, and we've also done a lot of Star Trek, but also previously we worked on some more local productions like Troll, where we did a 50-meter tall troll, and that's in the recent years. Unfortunately, due to NDAs, I cannot talk about future projects, but we always have a hope that they are in the vicinity of what we've already been doing. I'm the artist manager, so I take care of recruitment, and I'm so lucky to be in events like this and meeting all the lovely students. On a daily basis, I'm taking care of resources for all our projects, making sure that each project have the right resources, and of course recruiting is a big part of that. I love the summit. I love coming down here in southern France. It's not my first time here, it's my second time. The first time I did a presentation of Ghost, which was lovely, and today I can relax a bit more, so I'm only here to meet all the students. We've had several students from Lidem at Ghost. I should have prepared myself for a better count, but at the moment I would say we have around at least 5 previous students from Lidem. Most of them has been with us as interns, and then they've been offered jobs afterward. I think the level is quite amazing. Of course, there are different ways the students here they are going, and but the visual effects, those are more focused on that. It's quite amazing to see, and I think today I have seen someone that I would love to see back at the studio already. I would come back anytime.